Good morning, everyone. I am here for a visual presentation on diazonium salt. Introduction. Diazonium salt, discovered by Peter Gries in 1858, constitute a very important class of aromatic compound having journal formula ARN2 positive, X negative, where X negative may be anion such as Cl negative, Br negative, HSO4 negative, NO3 negative, BF4 negative, etc. The name diazonium itself originates from the fact that these compounds contain two nitrogen atoms and resemble ammonium salt in certain respects. It may be pointed out that aliphatic diazonium salt, such that the compound having the N2 positive X negative group attached to an alkyl radical, are too unstable to be isolated. Structure. The simple and most important diazonium salt is benzene diazonium chloride. Let us first consider the structure of the compound as a representative of a structure of diazonium salt in a journal. The most the important evidence leading to the structure may be summed as: first, molecular formula. Its molecular formula is C6H5N2Cl. Second, observed behavior. First, it is a colorless crystal solid soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvents such as alcohol and ester. Second, it undergoes ionization in aqueous solution as shown by the conductivity measure for the solution. Thus, benzene diazonium chloride exhibits salt-like behavior. Third, it undergoes many substitution reactions in which N2Cl group is replaced by monovalent groups such as halogen, cyanide, etc. Fourth, it undergoes coupling reaction to form azo compounds such as para-hydroxyazobenzene. Fifth, on reduction with stannous chloride and HCl acid, it is reduced to phenylhydrazine. Sixth, in alkyl solution, it forms salts known as diazoids, which exhibits geometrical isomerism and exist in cis and anti means transform. Third, earlier formula. A. Gries formula. The earliest structural formula for benzene diazonium chloride was suggested by its discoverer, Peter Gries. In this formula, the two nitrogen atoms were directly attached to benzene nucleus as shown below. However, this formula was immediately rejected as it could not account for the following property of benzene diazonium chloride. First, saltic nature. Second, reduced to phenylhydrazine, which contain only one hydrogen directly attached to benzene nucleus. Third, the displacement of N2Cl group as a whole in most of reaction. Fourth, the formation of azo compound in coupling reaction. B. Kekulé formula. Kekulé proposed the following structure in which only one nitrogen is directly attached to benzene ring. The formula could explain most be the reaction of benzene diazonium chloride, but it failed to account for salt-like behavior of benzene diazonium chloride, instability of benzene diazonium chloride as compared to azo compounds since both contain nitrogen double bond linkage. C. Bloom-Strand formula and its modified form. Bloom-Strand suggested the formula structure for benzene diazonium chloride. This structure has now been modified. Spotted evidence. The above ionic structure, which is comparable to that of ammonia chloride, is supported by the following observation. Second, benzene diazonium chloride is soluble in water but not in organic solvent due to its saltic nature structure. Second, the conductivity of aqueous solution confirms the presence of a charged structure. Third, IR spectra show the presence of a nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. Fourth, it can explain all the reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. Fifth, it can explain the existence of a geometrical isomerism of diazoids. It has been suggested that in the presence of a hydroxide ion, the diazonium ion exists in equilibrium with diazohydroxide, an unionized compound, and the salt derived from it is as shown below. Diazonium salt in the presence of NaOH and Cl change into diazonium hydroxide, then further diazohydroxide, then further sodium diazoids. The concentration of different species depend on the pH of the solution. In acid solution, the equilibria favor the diazonium ion, while in alkyl solution, the equilibria are in favor of diazoids. The diazoids can naturally exhibit geographical isomerism and exist in syn and anti form as depicted below. Nomenclature. Diazonium salts are named by attaching the word diazonium to the name of a parent aromatic compound. This is followed by the name of anion, for example, benzene diazonium chloride. Para-nitrobenzene diazonium hydrogen sulfide. Para-toluene diazonium bromide. Para-chlorobenzene diazonium fluoroborate. Preparation of diazonium salt. Diazotization. Diazonium salt are usually prepared by the reaction between aromatic primary amine and nitrous acid. About in situ from sodium nitrate and a mineral acid such as hydrochloric acid or sulfur acid at about 273 to 278 Kelvin. The reaction is called diazotization and may be represented as aniline plus NaO2 plus HX at 0 to 5 Kelvin degree Celsius temperature give a diazonium salt. Procedure of diazotization. For carrying out diazotization, the amine is dissolved in aqueous solution of a mineral acid and the resulting solution is cooled to about 273 Kelvin. A solution cooled aqueous solution of a sodium nitrate is then added. Slowly take care that the temperature of a reaction mixture does not rise above 278 to 283 Kelvin. If the temperature is allowed to rise, the diazonium salt formed get converted into phenol. The addition of sodium nitrate solution is stopped as soon as a few drops of reaction mixture give a blue color with starch potassium iodide paper indicate the presence of some unreacted nitrous acid in the reaction mixture. In other words, it shows the completion of diazotization. Since excess nitrous acid is likely to interfere with the substituent reaction of diazonium salt, it is destroyed by adding a small quantity of urea. Any urea left unreacted does not interfere with the reaction of diazonium salt. The above solution containing the diazonium salt is used as such for other reaction and no attempt is made to isolate the pure salt. This is because dry diazonium salt often undergoes explosive spontaneous decomposition. Furthermore, since diazonium salt decomposes slowly even in a cold solution, the solution must be used for further reaction immediately after preparation. It may be pointed out that the liberation of nitrous acid from sodium nitrate and the formation of diazonium salt require 2 mole of mineral acid per mole of amines to be diazotized. But in actually practice, the amount of acid used is about 3 mole. The use of excess acid is necessary to maintain proper acidity for the reaction and to prevent the combination of diazonium salt with undiazotized amine. Precaution to be taken. During the preparation of diazonium salt, the following precaution should be taken. First, the temperature must be carefully controlled and not allowed to rise above 283 Kelvin, otherwise a phenol would be obtained. Second, the mineral acid should be used in excess, otherwise diazonium salt formed would combine with undiazotized amine. Third, excess of nitrous acid must be destroyed. Fourth, never try to prepare pure dry salt because it is highly unstable and undergoes explosive decomposition. Mechanism of diazotization. It has been shown by Luckworthy 1956 that the actual mechanism of diazotization depend upon the existence of acidity and the concentration of reactant. But there is no doubt that nucleophile amine undergoes attack by some electrophile species such as nitronium ion or nitrous anhydride N2O3 about from nitrous acid. Thus, one of the probable mechanisms which appear to be operate in many cases may be summed up as followed. In the presence of strong acid, nitrous acid dissociates to give nitronium ion. This ion attacks the nitrogen of amine to form an unstable and nitroso-ammonium ion intermediate. The intermediate immediately loses a proton to form an N-nitrosoamine. This in turn undergoes a rearrangement by a proton shift. Similarly to keto-enol tautomerism to form diazohydroxide. Finally, in the presence of acid, the diazohydroxide loses water to form the diazonium salt. The complete mechanism is summed up below. Aromatic amine carry electron withdrawing substituents such as NO2 on the ring are rather difficult to diazotize. This is because the electron withdrawing substituent reduces the nucleophilic character of a nitrogen of amine and thus renders it less susceptible to attack of electrophile species. This observation also constitutes evidence in favor of above mechanism. Diazonium salts containing anions such as BF4 negative are generally obtained from more common diazonium salts such as shown below. Physical properties. Diazonium salts are generally colorless crystal solid freely soluble in water. Second, these are seldom isolated because of their instability and explosive nature. Third, with certain metallic salts such as zinc chloride, diazonium salt form double salt, which are quite stable. Chemical properties. Diazonium salts are highly reactive compounds and are extremely useful as intermediate in the reaction. In the preparation of many aromatic compounds by the use of diazonium salt as intermediate, it is possible to introduce only the aromatic ring substituent which are difficult or impossible to introduce by other methods. In addition, it is also possible to produce substituent in position not favored otherwise in direct position. The reaction diazonium salt may be divided into two main types. These are: first, reaction in which N2 is given out and the diazonium group is replaced by some other atom or group. Second, coupling reaction in which the nitrogen atom are retained in the product. As already stated, diazonium salts are employed in various reactions in form of their aqueous solution which are prepared just before they are required to be used. As the important reaction of diazonium salt are discussed below. Reaction in which nitrogen is lost as N2 and the diazonium salt is replaced by some other atom or group. First, replacement by ClBrCN. Sandmeyer reaction. A very important reaction of diazonium salt is the Sandmeyer reaction in which diazonium group is replaced by chloride, bromide or cyanide group. The reaction is carried out by treating solution of freshly prepared diazonium salt with cuprous chloride, bromide or cyanide. Thus we have, for example, para-toluene diazonium chloride in the presence of CuCl and HCl give para-chlorotoluene. In case of replacement of cyanide, the diazonium salt solution is neutral with sodium carbonate before being treated with cuprous cyanide. This is to prevent the loss of cyanide as HCN. Mechanism. The mechanism of Sandmeyer reaction is uncertain. However, a probable mechanism involving free radical may be summed up as followed by considering the reaction with cuprous chloride. It appears that species such as CuCl negative, CuBr negative and CuCN2 negative are generally formed which subsequently lose an electron to diazonium ion to yield an aryl radical, cuprous salt and nitrogen. The aryl radical and cuprous salt ultimately react give the final product. Gattermann reaction. In a modified procedure known as Gattermann reaction, the replacement by ClBrCN is carried out by using copper powder and halogen acid or potassium cyanide in place of cuprous cyanide. That is, synthetic utility. Sandmeyer or Gattermann offer a very useful method of preparing aryl chloride bromide in pure form. This method is preferred to direct halogenation as rather usually result in the formation of mixture of products. Since the cyanide obtained by using above can be easily hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid, this constitutes a good method for preparing aromatic acid. For example, orthotoluic acid may be prepared for toluene as shown. Second, replacement by iodine. Replacement of diazonium group by iodine can be brought about merely by warming the diazonium salt with potassium iodide solution. Mechanism. The reaction proceeds by SN2 mechanism, I negative ion being the attacking species and constitute the best method for introducing iodine on the aromatic ring. Third, replacement by fluorine. Bald-Schimmer reaction for replacing the diazonium chloride by fluorine. The diazonium salt solution is treated with fluoroboric acid, HBF4. When diazonium fluoroborate get precipitate, the precipitation is filtered, washed, and dried to isolate the fluoroborate. Diazonium fluoroborate are relatively stable compound. The dry salt on heating decompose to yield an aryl fluoride, borotrifluoride, and nitrogen. The reaction known as Bald-Schimmer reaction may be depicted as follows. Mechanism. The reaction proceeds by SN1 mechanism as shown below. Replacement by OH. On warming the aqueous solution of diazonium salts, the diazonium group is readily replaced by OH to yield a phenol. Mechanism. The reaction proceeds by SN1 mechanism as shown below. The efflorescence reaction takes place slowly even on allowing an ice cold solution of diazonium salt to stand. That is why diazonium salt solutions are used for further reaction immediately after their preparation. The phenol formed in the reaction can couple with diazonium salt to form azo compound as discussed a little later. This coupling reaction is however suppressed in a strongly acidic solution as shown. The formation of phenol is carried out by slowing adding the diazonium salt solution to a large excess of boiling dilute sulfuric acid. Synthetic utility. The above method is very useful for preparing phenol which are otherwise difficult to obtain. For example, metabromophenol may be prepared from nitrobenzene as follows. Replacement of NO2. This is carried out by decomposing diazonium fluoroborate with the sodium nitrite solution in presence of copper powder. Thus we have synthetic utility. The reaction can be used for introducing nitro group in specific position in benzene ring. Refer to the preparation of para-dinitrophenol for aniline from aniline. 6. Replacement of aryl group. Gomes-Bachmann reaction. Many diazonium salt react with other aromatic compound in alkyne solution to furnish compound in which the diazonium group has been replaced by aryl group. For example, bromodiazonium chloride react with benzene in presence of NaOH give para-bromodiphenyl. 7th, replacement by arsenic acid group ASO3H2 BART reaction. This is carried out by decomposition of diazonium salt with sodium arsenate in the presence of copper salt. For example, diazonium salt plus arsenic acid in presence of copper sulfate and give arsenic acid group on a benzene, and in presence of HCl give phenyl arsenic acid. Replacement by hydrogen. Replacement of a diazonium group by hydrogen can be best carried out by following the diazonium salt solution to stand in contact with hypophosphoric acid, preferably in the presence of cuprous ion. This reaction can be carried by representing as shown below. The reaction proceeds by a free radical mechanism as illustrated below. Synthetic utility. This reaction affords a convenient method of removing an NH2 or NO group from an aromatic ring. The complete process involving diazotization of an amine and subsequent reduction of a diazonium salt, such that replacement of diazonium group by hydrogen is called diaminization. This can be very useful step in many syntheses, as for example, reaction in which nitrogen atoms are retained in product. 9th, reduction to hydrazine, no loss of nitrogen. On reduction with the reducing agents such as stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, sodium bisulfite or sodium sulfite, diazonium salt are reduced to hydrazine. Free hydrazine can be obtained from its salt by reducing with sodium hydroxide. Coupling reaction. A very important group of a reaction of diazonium salt involving the reaction of diazonium ion acting as electrophile agent with aromatic compound containing powerful electron releasing substituents such as OH, NH2, NHR, and R2, the reaction known as coupling lead to the formation of a compound called azo compound having the general formula where G is the substituent such as OH, NHR, NH2, NR2, etc. The azo compound are strongly colored compound which constitute a group of dyes known as azo dyes. The coupling reaction in generally may be depicted as follows. It may be noted that the nitrogen of diazonium chloride is retained in the product and the reaction generally take place in a para position with respect to substituent present on the aromatic ring being attacked. However, if the para position is already occupied, the attack occurs at ortho position. Mechanism. The mechanism of coupling involves the usually electrophilic aromatic substituent in which the diazonium ion is the attacking reagent as shown below. It may be pointed out that diazonium ion is very weak electrophile. This is why it can attack only very reactive aromatic ring. This is the ring which contains strongly activating substituent. However, if the electrophile character of diazonium ion is increased by introducing electron withdrawing substituent like NO2 into the aromatic ring of a diazonium ion, coupling may be take place with even less reactive aromatic compound. Choice of experimental condition. An important factor to be take care of a coupling reaction is the choice of stable experimental condition. The reaction condition should be such that coupling take place readily and the possible side reaction such as reaction of diazonium salt with water itself to form a phenol and the coupling of a phenol thus produced with diazonium salt are prevented from taking place. The most important reaction considered which require to be regulated as prevent from taking place. The most important reaction considered which require to regulate the pH of a reaction medium. This is illustrated below in case of coupling with phenol and tertiary amines. 10th. Coupling with phenol. When treated with phenol in weakly alkyne medium, diazonium salt undergoes coupling to form hydroazo compound. For example, mechanism. The mechanism of reaction involving the electrophilic attack of a diazonium ion on the phenoxide ion as shown below. Role of pH in coupling reaction. The choice of optimum pH range to be employed in the reaction may be understood in terms of a respective equilibria involving diazonium ion and phenoxide ion. It may be recalled that in the presence of OH negative ion, the diazonium ion occur in equilibria with diazohydroxide and the diazoate salt. Both diazohydroxide and diazoates are not electrophilic and therefore do not take part in coupling. This means that in strongly alkyne reaction medium, high pH value, the concentration of attacking electrophile species would be low. In other words, a high concentration of attacking reagent requires the solution of acid, low pH value. Phenol in aqueous solution occur in equilibrium with phenoxide ion as shown below. Due to strong electron releasing effect of O negative than OH, phenoxide ion is more reactive toward electrophilic attack, but the equilibrium depicted above would shift toward phenoxide ion only in an alkyne solution. Thus, a higher concentration of phenoxide ion requires the reaction medium to be alkyne. In the light of above discussion, it is evident that the optimum pH range for the coupling reaction would be result of a comprise. The optimum pH range for the coupling of a phenol has been found to be 9 to 10. This means that coupling of phenol is best carried out in slightly alkyne solution. 11th. Coupling with tertiary amines. Coupling of diazonium salt with tertiary amines take place in slightly acidic solution to form dialkyl amino azo compound. For example, benzene diazonium chloride plus N-dimethylaniline in weakly acidic medium give para-dimethyl amino benzene. The mechanism of reaction may be depicted as below. Role of pH already explained. High concentration of diazonium ion require the reaction medium to have a low pH value, but at low pH the amine will be largely protonated as shown below. Now the protonated amine do not due to positive charge is quite unreactive toward electrophilic attack. This means that in coupling reaction the amine should be predominant in the free, from which is possible only if the reaction medium has a high pH value. As a result of a compromise between the pH range resulting of diazonium ion and the free ammonia, the actual pH range explained in coupling reaction of tertiary amine is 4 to 5, such that the reaction medium is slightly acidic. 12th, reaction with primary and secondary amine. Primary and secondary amine generally react with diazonium salt in mild alkyne solution to form colorless diazoammonium compound. In this reaction, attack of diazonium ion take place at amino nitrogen rather than one of the ring. However, the diamino compound thus formed undergoes rearrangement when heated in acid to form the colored azo compound. For example, synthetic application of a diazonium salt. In introducing the chemical behavior of diazonium salt, it was stated that diazonium salt can be employed as very useful intermediate in the synthesis of a number of aromatic compounds, many of which are difficult or impossible to synthesize by other methods. The preparation of orthotoluene acid, metabromophenol, and 1,3,5-triobromobenzene were cited as some example of synthetic utility of a diazonium salt. A few more examples are given below by way of further elucidation. First, synthetic of a metabromotoluene from a toluene. Toluene, in the presence of HNO3 and H2SO4, converted into nitrotoluene. Further, in presence of Fe and H positive, convert into para-methyl aniline. In presence of acetic anhydride, change into parabenzene NHC double bond OCH2. In presence of Br, there is Br in ortho position. In presence of water, it aldehyde lost from NH group. Then in presence of NaNO2 and HCl, diazonium salt obtained. And in presence of H3PO3, metabromotoluene. In the above synthetic, the conversion of this to this constitute the key step. It is based on the fact that NHC double bond OCH3 is much stronger ortho para directing than CH3 group. Since the ortho position is already blocked, bromine is introduced to ortho position with respect to NHC double bond OCH3 or meta position with respect to CH3. Synthesis of para-bromobenzonitrile from nitrobenzene are shown. Third, synthesis of 3,4,5-triiodonitrobenzene from para-nitroaniline. If further required, the nitrobenzene may be removed by a converting into NH2 group followed by diazotization and reduced to get 1,2,3-triiodobenzene. Fourth, synthesis of a meta-dichlorobenzene from nitrobenzene. Fifth, synthesis of para-dinitrobenzene from aniline. Thank you. Chapter is complete.